Hey, I'm Julie Moorhead, and today I'm at the Wells Center for Pediatric Research here at Riley Hospital for Children in Indianapolis, Indiana. And I'm here to talk about our Cloths for a Cure, which are $10, and it's a great way to get our customers and even our employees involved in making a huge difference with a little amount of money. We started the cloth program several years ago to help us support Riley Children's Hospital here in Indianapolis. And now we really want to make it bigger and impact more people. So we've decided to direct the money specifically to pediatric research. And now we're calling it Cloths for Cures, because that's exactly what the money is going to help.
It's impossible not to want to help these kids. Root for them, to just cheer them on. And the way I've chosen to do it is to study components of the diseases that make them sick in the first place. Research is one of the most significant mechanisms that allows us to really make progress in improving the treatments for childhood diseases. When we get in a laboratory environment and do research, the equipment, the supplies, the manpower, the actual salaries that need to get paid to do the work all require huge amounts of capital, huge amounts of resource. And so philanthropic support is instrumental to our group being able to function at its optimal capacity, and even donations of the smallest amounts all add up to a big impact in the lives of these kids.
Hi, my name is Riley, and I was born with 9 congenital heart defects, and 5 of them are major. I've been through 2 open heart surgeries and 11 other surgeries. I made a wagon, and I made a little flag of Riley and hearts, and I call the hill Healing Hearts, because I thought it would be really cool for that, because it's Riley, and I have a broken heart, half a heart. I help more people buy cloths, so someday kids like me won't have to spend so much time in the hospital.
It makes us really proud at TCC to be part of something so positive. We know these little cloths are full of love, and they're helping find cures for kids all around the world. The amazing progress we see here in these research labs can't happen without support from the public. Together with Riley Hospital, the researchers here, our customers, our employees, we can really help make the future better and brighter for all these children that have childhood diseases.